How to connect to Nest Hello Video Doorbell. Before we begin, make sure that you've set up your doorbell within your Nest app. Already did that? Okay then. Open your Google Home app. Press Add, then Set Up Device. Select Have Something Already Set Up. Type Nest in the search bar. Select the Nest icon. Sign into your Nest account. You should see a Works with Nest screen. Scroll through the features and tap Allow. Yes, your device has been added. Choose the device you want to set up. Select the room that your device is located in. And voila! Your Nest Hello Video Doorbell is now connected.